It's so heavy. How can we open it? We open. Open. Surprise! Egg! So cool! Let's open them, Cuquin. Choose one. No, all of them. Not all, Cuquin. Just one by one. Number 2, the pink egg. Pink egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A cockroach.
La cucaracha, la cucaracha. All she wanted was to run. She doesn't notice a wheel is missing. Now she won't have any dance. La
Right! Mama! Number 1. The green egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A spider.
Itsy bitsy spider, he never had to talk. All he had to do was pin his web up. He worked, 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 and when the time was right, the itsy bitsy spider, he cries, he cries, he cries. The itsy bitsy spider, the sun is on his side.
Yay! Mama! Number 3. The orange egg. Oh! Open, open, open. Surprise! An ant. Yay!
The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, and finally Cuquin is diving so high and the water splashes a lot, very much all around.
Yay! Enjoy your favorite Cleo and Cuquin videos on TV. Find us on Android TV, Fire TV, and Roku. Download it now. Huh? Oh! Oh! Huh? Oh? More cars! Car?
Circle. Not circle, triangle. Wow! Huh? Yellow car!
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through town.
More! Square! Wow! Huh? Red car!
The horn of the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town.
More! Circle! Not green, blue circle. Wow! Blue car!
The signals on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 all through the town.
More! Boom! Green pentagon! Oh. Green, yay! Wow! Huh? Green car!
Tina and his friends go up and down, up and down, up and down. Tina and his friends go up and down, all through the town.
Yellow car! Red car!